So my morning started with an amazing breakfast, and we had some really good cereals, fruits and vegetables. This trip has started on a great note. I'm pretty sure this trip is going to be amazing.
I just arrived here yesterday from Saudi Arabia, and the Algarve is beyond beautiful. I'm so excited for what's next. We're going to go to an organic farm, and I can't explain how excited I am.
In the organic farms, it's a rule that from European that you cannot use herbicides or chemicals in the organic farm. This compost is certified also.
And the farm has been around for over 150 years. It's amazing. And later we're going to be seeing how they handle the oranges and the safety procedures and all of that. And then at the end we're going to be making marmalade, and I just can't wait. I can only imagine how delicious the marmalade is going to be.
We were very happy, to get a certification for being organic, because the standard is very high. The security and, taking into account traceability, the organic production, and all the process of being organic the standard is very high in Europe, and we are sure that this is always the best for the fruit.
We have to be organic for 3 years before it is totally organic. We don't put any chemicals. We can use manure on the ground.
And today we are going to cook 4 Spanish traditional dishes.
Nice.
Okay, Shanna, can you smell the peppers?
Oh wow, it's very strong.
In the European Union we have strict laws that give to the consumers safety and quality about bio products. And those kind of peppers are bio. So you can see that they are very fresh, they are very powerful in flavor and
Yeah,
smell.
I can smell it from here. Whoa!
Oh wow, can't wait to try the black garlic rice. Oh my gosh.